I'm going to show you my castle, that I got, and let me show you. Oh, I got a really big Angry Bird castle. I'm going to show you my Angry Bird castle first. So, this is my big one. And then that girl, her, she gave me this. And so, I'm going to show you my Angry Bird ones first. Some of them my friends gave me them. Okay, this is how much I take in here and in here. I'm gonna show you them in a minute. Okay. I found this one. And then that's it of my Angry Birds. And then watch this. Okay, this is what you do. You get two castles. It could be a big one, it could be a small one, it doesn't matter. And you see that big hole? The hole right there? You just cut it through. And watch this. Wait, watch this. like this. You have this one. And set the big hole here, this one. There you go. And then it slides. See like that? Okay. So, once again, once again. So, that's it of my Angry Birds, and I'll show you the rest later. Bye!